This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the assets ready: a web-optimized MP4, a small poster image, and a clear container element. Create a div or header with a class like BG Video Now and place your video tag inside it. Use autoplay muted loop place-inline attributes so browsers will allow background play. Once done, set width to 100% and use object fit. Cover in CSS. This ensures the video fills the space while maintaining aspect ratio and avoiding letterboxing. Now you write the core CSS that makes the video act as a background. Make the container position, relative then video position, absolute, inset, 0, width, 100%, height, 100%, object fit, cover so it crops correctly. Place textual content in a sibling with position, relative and higher z-index. Add an overlay pseudo-element or a separate div with background, RGBA 000035 to improve contrast. This helps readability and meets simple accessibility needs. Test scaling across viewport sizes. Finish by ensuring graceful fallback and testing. Include poster attribute and keep the video muted so most browsers autoplay. For mobile or bandwidth constraints, use a media query to replace the video with a static background image or hide it entirely. If playback fails, make sure the MP4 uses H.264, confirm content type headers from the server, and check browser console for decoding errors. Re-encode if needed. Finally, verify accessibility. Provide captions if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.